Hello friends, today we are going to model, texture, render an apple. This is part 4 of our introduction to Blender, and let's get started without any delay. So you see the default cube. What we do is we press tab, get into edit mode, we press M on the keyboard, we merge all the vertices at the center, right? Press 3 for the side view, right ortho view. Now we need to press tab, get to the object mode again, and press shift A, and we need to create an image placeholder, empty image, and we need to align it to our view. It's in world view, so we need to change the world view of the image placeholder to view. And in this image placeholder we need to fix the image. We open the image that I actually took using my mobile because of copyright issues. So this is the PNG image of an apple I created, and you see. Now what we do is, since we got the cube here, it's called the cube. Basically it's a vertex at the center, so we name it APPLE. That's what we are going to lathe, or we are going to spin an apple from this. So right now we're in the object mode, as you see here. So what we do is we press tab, get into edit mode, press G, drag this dot to the top in the center, and we start creating a profile for the apple using E, extrude. 1, E again, 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 E again. We need to create just one side so that we are able to spin it or lathe it 360 degrees. That's all. We are done with the profile. Press A to select all, press 7 to go to the top view, and press this icon, spin. Okay, and here you can, angle will be 360 degrees, and definition we can make it higher, maybe about 45. So the apple is smooth and not jagged. The apple shape is done. So now the problem is, it seems to be very pixelated and rough. Right click the apple and shade smooth. So you have the smooth view of the apple. Now what we do is we hide our empty, clicking this, and now we can quickly shade the apple. First we need to go to the UV editing, and there press 3 for the side view, right view, right ortho, press tab, press A for select all, press U to project from view, and here we need to get back the same image that we used for modeling the apple. Open the image, downloads. So the image is open. We need to align the UVs to fit the image. Press S, Z, SX, SY, G, grab it, SX. We have aligned the UVs. Here guys, I'm telling you how to very quickly texture an object, thing like an apple. So of course UVs are aligned, but one thing, the texture won't show up here because we still haven't put the image into the color socket. So here go to the shading tab. In the shading tab you see the principal BSDF shader is already there. The base color says it's white, It's obviously white here. So what we do is press Shift A and texture, and get the image texture, open the same Apple image texture that you photographed, open it. So now connect the color, this color, to the base color of our shader. So now you get a very quick texture of the apple. Okay, the texturing part is done. Now we go to the layout again, and you see the textured apple, and press Shift A again to create a mesh plane, and the apple is inside. So what we need to do is G, Z, and place it here, somewhere here. Now to the rendering. Before we render the image, we make this point light into sunlight and align it to the camera. Rotate with R, G, grab, and make the strength to around 4. Okay, so you see a very fine shadow of the apple there. Okay, and press 0 to get the camera view. We can, the focal length of the camera, we can increase it. And one more thing, you can rotate the plane and select the camera, press G, select the plane, scale it up. So this is how your rendered image will look. So this is a very quick way of modeling, texturing, and rendering. When you press F12, of course your image will get rendered. So that was a very quick way of modeling, texturing, and rendering an object. Of course you are seeing it in the 3D viewport. So we will get back to you with more interesting tunes. Bye for now.